So my main concerns about my skin was the quality of my skin. I had really large pores. Also, I had all this redness, like all over my skin. Also, I had some like imperfections, like wrinkles, and my skin used to be dry, and just, I felt like it has like a lack of collagen for sure. Now, after using the DermRays Revive skincare laser for 4 weeks in a row, I see great results. First of all, I see that all the redness from my skin literally disappeared almost. And sometimes 4 weeks can be not truly enough to show a great result, but I still feel that even within the 4 weeks length of usage, I've got a great result, and I'm definitely going to keep on using this one, every 2 weeks, just to keep on my skin to, keep on looking that way as it looks right now. So the results that I've got way less, redness all around my skin. I feel like my wrinkles looks better now, especially, like my forehead wrinkles, the one between my eyebrows. Gosh, I hate this one. Well, I feel that this one looks way better now. So today is the very first time that I am going to use this rejuvenation facial device, and let's get started. So I am very, very unhappy with the condition of my skin. It's very dry. I have lots of redness all over my skin. I have some pigmentation somewhere as well. I'd love to get rid of all this redness, as well as I would love the texture of my skin to become a little bit better. I truly hope that this guy right here is going to help me with that. So guys, you're supposed to use this one 3 times a week the first 2 weeks, then twice a week during the following 2 to 3 weeks, and then after 5 weeks of usage, you should use this device once a month. So in 4 weeks from today, you will see how the before will turn into, I hope, something beautiful and something way better. So right now we're gonna do my first treatment together, and let's see. So to power on the device, of course it's wired, so it must be connected to the outlet. You shall just give it a long press here at the power on, power off button, and then you will see a light right here. This light as well gonna indicate the levels. So you have 3 levels to choose from, means the redness. Now to make it ready to use, you need to click this button once, and it turns on into green. So once it's green, it's ready to use. To switch between the levels, you should once click the power on, power buttons, and you will see the levels right here. Level 1, the weakest one. 2, the medium strength, and 3, the strongest level possible out there. I love to use everything on the strongest, so I'm going to use this one on the strongest. It is coming with a cooling head. As you can hear, it's pretty quiet. It's working right now on the highest level possible. Let's get started with the DermRays Revive skincare laser for anti-aging. And their slogan is glow like never before. How cool is that? So guys, I used it according to the instructions 4 weeks in a row, and I feel like I got an amazing result. So, the wrinkles around my mouth and around my eyes, I feel like in general my skin condition became way better. I feel like my skin is like way more glowing right now than it used to be, and just smoother in general, So guys, right now I'm going to tell you all the tech details. It worked so far amazingly for me, and guys, you let me know down below in the comments what do you think, and if you are familiar with the DermRays, and if you are, then what products you've tried and what is your opinion. Like share. We're all about sharing here, girl. By sharing, you're helping your friends and whoever is going to watch this video next, so they could have, like a honest opinion and reviews from users. So guys, let's get started. So this DermRays Revive skincare laser is FDA cleared for safe and effective use. Also, this one was reported as 93% tighter skin after using this one, 96% saw reduced wrinkles, 96% users noticed smaller, more refined pores, same here, and 96% of users noticed a significant reduction in chloasma. So the DermRays Revive device is like a true salon treating that you can do to yourself home. So there is no need to leave your house to get the treatment. There is no need to spend your money, your time, your mileage, your gas, whatever. You can do it all inside of your home by yourself, and you are going to get exactly the same results as their salons are going to give you. The Revive uses a cutting-edge 1064 nanometers laser technology, and that's exactly the same technology as all the expensive, famous, celebrity salons out there using. Same technology, literally. You can get it to your house. How cool is that? Now, this laser is all about taking care of specific skin tissues without damaging the epidermis of our skin. It is delivering benefits like skin tightening, brightening, and spot reduction to our skin. And this is 200 times more powerful than an LED tool that you will use. So Revive delivers delivers up to 10 joule per square centimeters of energy. So once again, the laser treatments are stimulating collagen production. So in a natural way, your skin is gonna heal itself. And as a result, we can see visible improvements like reduced wrinkles, even skin tone, scar reduction. Laser treatments are all offering a relatively controlled and targeted approach. Additionally, lasers can be customized to different skin types and concerns with various wavelength and delivery methods. This is why you better use just literally laser over any other type of skin rejuvenation treatments out there. Also, it works on the TEC cooling system, which is instantly activates itself as you turn the device on. That's ensuring any type of a pain-free treatment. Even though these treatments aren't supposed to be painful by any means, the max you can feel on your skin, it's that, it's warm, maybe hot if you keep it too long on your skin, which you're not supposed to keep this longer than 1, 2, 3 seconds on your skin, and then you must move on. You cannot just keep it on your skin. But in general, it's just warming your skin by giving these waves deep into your skin. So even if you are having a sensitive skin, it's still going to be completely pain-free thanks to the TEC cooling system technology installed in. Now you have 3 different settings, and you can just adjust the energy levels with 1, 2, or 3. I use this one on 3 all the time because I like everything on highest levels as possible. This is how I just like it. It also has a skin contact sensor. So the sensor feels once it's touching the skin, and then and only then, for the safety of the user, it's going to initiate the laser to start working. That is actually eliminating the need for UV glasses. So yes, with all the products of DermRays, there is no need for protective glasses. I will highly recommend you guys to check this one out. It's definitely going to work for anyone out there. And honestly, the results I've got for the DermRays Revive are awesome. I love it. I do feel like my skin looks way better. I do feel that, my oval is sharper. I do feel like I have less double chin. I feel like my skin just all got tightened up. I have less wrinkles now, as well as the quality, the structure, of my skin. It's just my pores are smaller, I feel like, and I feel like all this redness literally just disappeared that I suffered from so much. I couldn't look at myself without makeup before. Now I love myself without makeup. So this device is definitely highly recommend you guys to check this one out. I'll leave you all of the links down below in the description box.